Good morning, guys. Ito, gumising na naman ng maaga. Kagabi, galing kami sa Winnipeg. Sunday, delay yung flight namin. Ayan si Daddy. Wala. Nagbablog lang ako. Delay yung flight namin kahapon. Tapos, gabi na nung dumating kami dito. 1 hour ahead dito sa Toronto. Galing kami ng Winnipeg 9 o'clock.
May nag-aantay na ng shuttle dun sa labas.
Over 6, ano pa yun eh? 6, 6:20. 6:20. Magbibihis na, magre-ready na. Kasi yung flight namin ay anong oras ba yung flight natin? 8:30. 1 hour ahead dito sa Toronto. Kaya tayo ay magbibihis na rin. We're getting ready. Ayan, may pa-coffee sila. Ayan, may microwave, may fridge, with TV. Ang daming kalat. Oh, ayan. 2 ang kama. 2 queen. Hirap. Anong oras na kami nakatulog? Ano ba yan? Okay guys, magre-ready lang. Ayan, naka-ready na ako. Yung mister ko nasa labas na. Dala niya na ang mga luggage. Ito na lang ang dala ko. Backpack at saka ayan. Ay, yung sweater ko pala. Tsaka yung dito kami natulog kagabi. Gabi na kami nakarating. Ayan. Nandito ang hangeran. Ayan. Tapos, dito ang washroom. Ayan. Ang toilet nila. Ayan, nag-overnight lang kami kagabi. 6:20 darating yung aming shuttle bus. Tapos, pupunta na kami, dadaling kami sa airport. 8:30 ang aming flight. Papuntang Punta Cana. Samahan nyo kami guys sa aming journey. Papuntang Punta Cana. Ayan. Ayan na, ready na. Naka-ready na yung aking sombrero. Maano kasi doon. Mainit. Punta tayo sa beach. Ayan. Si Daddy. Ito, meron silang gym. Fitness center. Open 24 hours. Okay, andito si Daddy. Naghihintay na. Ayan. Nandyan na ba? Hindi, mag-check out pa ako.
Hindi mag-check out eh.
Ayan, check out pa ako. Time to check. Come tayo ng hot water. Water, tapos dito yung tea. Tayong tea, sugar, creamer. Nasaan? Ito pwede kang gumawa ng iyong cappuccino, latte, or coffee. And tea. To add milk creamer for your coffee, please select latte or cappuccino. Ganun. Ayan na ang shuttle bus namin papuntang airport. Ayan. Ang best western. Kailangan natin ng bring it in.
Again, if you heard your name, please
Hey, naka-check-in din. Apo. Ay, naku. Yung aming check-in. Kami ang pinakamahuli kasi sabi nila canceled yung aming ticket. Tapos tinawagan pa yung Tapos ngayon kami pinakahuli nag-check-in. Ngayon, dito na kami sa C32. Daddy is buying water.
Ma'am,
Huh?
may bariya ka ba?
No.
No? What do you want?
Nothing.
information recordings, we just have a few
Yan.
announcements to make, so please listen up.
Magbo-boarding na daw kami.
Boarding by group number. If you look in the center of your boarding pass, that big gold number in the box, that is your group number. Even when you hear your group number call, please proceed to gate C32 for boarding. If
Ay,
you do
group-
not hear your group number call, please make seated on the way of boarding or to expedite the process.
Group number 5 kami.
Our order of operations is as follows. Our group 1 passengers, our special service passengers, those passengers who require extra time or assistance for boarding. Group 3 passengers, our Option Plus passengers, those passengers who pay for our special services and in-flight services through Option Plus, including prior to boarding.
Here we go. Punta here we come. For the second time. Yay! Where's Daddy? Daddy! Tuloy na. Wala nang pending. See you guys later. Going to 40C.
Store small items and packages under the also under the seat in front of
Hi,
you.
good morning.
Bottles must be placed under the seat in front of you and not in the overhead compartments. If you require any assistance, please speak to a crew member. Thank you.
Okay, good to know. All right.
Sa
Sa
likod
likod
ah.
dia buat outside the window di Punta
Sa likod tayo.
Cana.
Second plane goes to Punta Cana.
De Bangkok. Portez votre ceinture en tout temps lorsque vous êtes assis. Pour l'attacher, insérez l'extrémité plate dans la boucle. Tirez sur la sangle pour la serrer. Pour la détacher, soulevez la pièce supérieure de la boucle. If an oxygen mask drops from the compartment above you, pull it towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, securing the elastic band behind your head, and breathe normally. The plastic bag may not inflate, but oxygen is still flowing. Secure your own mask before helping others. Si un masque à oxygène tombe du panneau au-dessus de vous,
Okay, may snacks tayo. Ito. Oh, it's warm. Daddy got the sandwich. Cook sandwich. Ayan. Dito kami sa pinakamalikod. Sabi ko, nandito kami sa pinakalikod. Ito yung yung washroom. Ayan yung washroom. Tapos ano yun, ang kitchen lang has 2 bodies. Bumpy dito sa likod. Pinakalikod talaga. Ayan. Ayan, malapit na kami landing. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Sabi. 11:57 Winnipeg time. So, 12:57 na. Sa Punta Cana. Ang seat number namin is 4 PNC and Air Transat. lumalabas na usok.
Tapos yung printer niya.
Oo.
Isa sa ginagawa namin. Kaya printer.
Oh, ayun o. Umuusok. Ayan pala yun. Oh, hanggang doon oh. Ayan. Kausok pa rin na kayo. Kaya pwede na magtanggal na